everybody, welcome to my channel Beauty for the Win. Today I wanted to show you guys the Beauty and Planet products that I got for free. One is basically a hair serum, one is a shampoo, and one is a conditioner, and one is a body wash. Now they're all the same scent. It's coconut and ylang ylang. The smell of this is really nice. Really relaxing. You can smell the coconut and you can smell that essential oil. These particular hair care products are for damaged hair. So I used to have blonde ends. My hair does have a lot of damage to it, split ends, all that. So I used the shampoo and conditioner, and now as you can see there's a little bit of oil on this side of my hair. I did use the serum and this side has none. So there's a big difference. You can see my ends are smooth, they're shiny, whereas this side's a little bit dull, dry, and I can totally see a big difference. So I do really like the hair serum. That's one that I'm going to be using a lot of, and when this is gone I'll buy more. This is a really good serum. The shampoo was not drying. I thought it would be drying. I'm not sure why. I guess just because it's more of a natural product, and some natural products tend to do that, but no, this was really smooth on my hair and it didn't leave that dryness effect. So I like this a lot. The conditioner helped my hair as well. Now, of course, my hair is dry on the side. I didn't put serum in, but it's still not as bad as usual. And the body wash, as I said, it's super relaxing. Like, the smell is just beautiful. It does moisturize your skin really nicely. When you come out of the shower, your skin is still super smooth. These products are safe for vegans, and they have no parabens, no silicones, no dyes, and they're not tested on animals, which is really important. All in all, I would rate these a 9 out of 10. They use natural ingredients, they smell really nice, they help with my hair, and the body wash is really relaxing. If you guys haven't picked these up already, you can find them at Walmart, and that's the only place that I know of right now that you can get them. I'm not sure where else you can get them, but I will keep you guys updated. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and thank you to Chick Advisor for giving these to me for free to try out. See you guys soon.